Hi, this presentation is all about Earth and its components. Types of fault. Normal. Formed when the hanging wall drops down. The forces that create normal faults are pulling the sides apart or extensional. Reverse. Formed when the hanging wall moves up. The forces creating reverse faults are compressional, pushing the sides together. Strike slip. Have walls that move sideways, not up or down. Now let us proceed to plate movements. Type of plate movements. Convergent. A tectonic boundary where two plates are moving toward each other. If the two plates are of equal density, they usually push up against each other, forming a mountain chain. Examples are the western coast of South America and Himalayan mountains and Mariana Trench. Divergent. In plate tectonics, a divergent boundary or divergent plate boundary, also known as a constructive boundary or an extensional boundary, is a linear feature that exists between two tectonic plates that are moving away from each other. Example is the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, which divides Iceland and is the boundary between North American and Eurasian tectonic plates. Transform. Transform boundaries are places where plates slide sideways past each other. At transform boundaries, lithosphere is neither created nor destroyed. Example is the California San Andreas Fault. Now let's talk about rock deformation. First is compressional. It generates folding and faulting as a consequence of shortening. Compressive forces are common along convergent plate boundaries, resulting in mountain ranges. Tensional causes stretching and thinning of the rocks, usually accompanied by tensional faults. Tensional forces common along extensional plate boundaries such as mid-ocean ridges. Shear causes rocks to slide horizontally past one another, such as along transform plate boundaries, to produce extensive fault system. Types of faults. First, anticline. Anticline is a fault that is convex up and has its oldest bends at its core. The term is not to be confused with antiform, which is a purely descriptive term for any fault that is convex up. Therefore, if age relationships between various strata are known, the term antiform should be used. Syncline. A syncline is a fold with younger layers closer to the center of the structure. Synclines are typically a downward fold termed with a formal syncline, but synclines that point upwards or perch can be found when strata have been overturned and folded. Monocline. Local warping in horizontal strata, rock beds line at two levels separated by steep inclined limbs. It is formed by vertical movement and generally found fault below monocline, a step-like folding rock strata consisting of a zone of steeper dip within an otherwise horizontal or gently dipping sequence. Seafloor spreading, oceanic ridges. A mid-oceanic ridge is an underwater mountain range formed by plate tectonics. This uplifting of the ocean floor occurs when convection currents rise in the mantle beneath the oceanic crust and create magma where two tectonic plates meet at a divergent boundary.